Hello everybody, we'll speak today about the vlookup formula. The vlookup formula is an Excel formula which looks up to the right to find the value. For instance, if you want to know which customer is 282655, vlookup can help you with this. The formula will return the value Bastra. But what if you want to find the customer number for Castero? In this case, vlookup will not help you. Indeed, as we said before, the vlookup formula only looks to the right. But in our example, the customer number area in the left column. And we have the name on the right. I will show you three methods to solve this problem. The method A, the manual method, the method B, the nested formula, and the method C, the new era. So let's go to the method A. Here we will find like a manual way to solve this problem by copying the data from the column A and pass them in column C. Like this, we can make the vlookup formula as usually. The table array will be column B and C. The column number 2 and false to have the exact match. Let's check, it seems good. I will put you here formula to have it. This is the manual method. Let's see now the second method, the nested formula. In this case, we will use two formula. We'll use index and match. So here index up, we are looking for the customer number which is in column A, and we know the customer name up, and we have to use match here. Okay, this is the value that we are looking for in this column, and we need the exact match. Up, we close bracket, and it works. So this is the method B. Let's see now the method C. This method only works with the new version of Excel, with the Microsoft 365. Indeed, in this version we have another formula which is called vlookup-up, and here we can directly try to find the value. We are trying to find the value in column B, and the result will be in column A. Up, it's working. Again, I put here the formula. Let's try to change Alevo. Yeah, it matched.